So I'm in Dick's, no Diddy, looking up grabbing some ball sneaks. I got the Melos, the new Melos, Anthony Edwards, the Zion 4s, and Kyrie Irving sneaks. Kyrie Irving joints is nice. I love the details on them. Very sturdy shoe. You tell it's woven very well. Shout out to Kyrie. They're a little long, I feel like. I don't know how they'll be super comfortable, but what I really want to do is focus on the similarities between the Zion 4s and the Anthony Edwards. These both is fire. Similar colorways with the neon. You know what I mean? You see that with the neon. But I need these Anthony Edwards. This is actually why I came in here. They don't have them, so I might have to go to a different store. But these the ones right here. Need these. I'm impressed by these Zions though. I ain't even gonna hold you. Kyrie's. I don't think I'm gonna grab anything today. Although these Kyrie's are a great price point, $100. I just can't really see myself wearing this shoe for any reason. I don't know. I fuck with these, throw some sweats on with these will go crazy. But these the ones. These, I can't see myself wearing these unless it was like some team sneaks, some shit like that. Not really my style, a little too much going on. What y'all think? Who got the hottest sneaks out right now on the ball tip? Who got the hottest? I think the Anthony Edwards gotta be the best ones, yo. I'm telling you. I know I might be biased because I actually own a pair, but they gotta be some of the top shoes. I don't even think I'm getting none of these. I'll probably fuck around and put them back, to be completely honest. Put these Kyries back. Put these LaMelos back. Let's come here. Put these Anthony Edwards back. And these Zion 4s. I wouldn't go LeBron at this stage. I need the young cats. You know what I mean? The young players. And look at these. These is hard for real. These is hard. It's a heavy shoe, kind of like LeBron, but I guess the big guys need like a real sturdy shoe to be moving around in. I'm not gonna grab nothing now. I'm out. Ooh, this is nice. What's these? Is these the okay, the Luka 3s. Stop playing. Okay, Jordan Luka 3s. I don't think I ever saw the Lukas in person. Shout out to Luka. Shout out to the Lakers. I didn't think that the Luka Lakers trade was gonna work. I didn't know that he had game like that. He really nice. You're like on some all-time shit. He really that bull. You know, I wasn't privy to Luka magic, but which out of those shoes do y'all fuck with the most? Anthony Edwards. We got the LaMelos, the Zion 4s, and the Kyrie Irvings. Out of those four, which ones you think was hardest? I don't know. I'm gonna go with the Anthony Edwards. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, like, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the recent videos that we posted. You know what I mean? We got some vlogs in there, moving around the city. You know, we'll figure it out. Stay locked into all things OGPOV.